Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So today's video is all about what architecture subjects are, and currently we are studying at Lovely Professional University. So we will be introducing you to the subjects which we are learning over here from first year to fifth year.
Currently, we are pursuing in third year, second sem.
So if we get back into first year, first sem, so it is all about creating foundation. So in that we have a subject basic drawing, which is a practical. So in that we used to have 3D perspective drawings.
It's totally of basic, like we used to draw grid lines and we used to start from A to Z, all alphabets we used to draw in grid pattern. They used to check even small mistakes also in that basic drawing, because in architecture everything we used to draw in grid, everything should be in grid pattern actually. So we used to learn, we used to shock what we are learning alphabets and basic drawings, we used to think, and then they told us these are very important in architecture. We used to learn those kind of things. And even numbers also, numerical numbers also we used to draw in grid patterns, and we used to fill it in that border itself. We used to, there's even fine minute things also, even the curves, everything.
So it's all about getting grip of freehand drawing and also alphabets.
And everything will be on sheets itself. We should draft it. Everything.
For drafting we use parallel bar and T-scale. So at starting it was difficult to use it, then we got to know how to fix the parallel bar with the threads.
And we used to use set square also for angles, like isometric views. If we used to draw isometric views, we need set square also.
And then the next subject we had was BMC, which is Building Material and Construction Studio.
In that we learned like basic, that how is the brick, like a brick, how to draw in top view, front view, elevation and isometric view, what are the brick measurements. We used to draft it on the sheets,
and we even got the measurements of brick, and we even had few practical sections of creating joints, brick joints, etc. We had was graphics.
In graphics we used to do live sketching, freehand sketching. We used to draw perspective views, 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective, etc. like that. And next we used to have workshop also.
So in first sem we had a carpentry workshop in which we learned about different types of joints. So it's all about practical learning in workshop. Then next up we have architecture design. So architecture design is the main core. So in that, in first time we just had basics of design, like designing a wall.
And we designed a LPU main gate. They gave the measurements of LPU main gate and they told to redesign the gate.
So it's all about developing concepts and executing it. So it's just a basic foundation we learned in first sem. So in theory, the subjects we have are
history. History, you know, in architecture wise there are many buildings, so we used to learn old kind of histories, how they used materials, how they sustained, like that. And next there is structured design. Like basics we started with like columns, foundation, how many types of foundation were there. We learned like that kind of things.
To get an idea about structures of a building.
And we learned another subject theory is building materials. In building materials we used to learn about concrete, how many grades of concrete were there, and all materials we use in building. They used to explain in detail, like that kind of subject theory was there for us.
So this was all about first year, first sem, and then in second sem there are few common subjects also. So the common subjects are design, building material and construction studio, graphics and workshops.
Structure design too also.
And even structure design, but in structure design
We used to learn more detail.
Yeah, the first sem was basics of getting idea of the structures of building. Then we came into actual calculation part.
Mm, Then in graphics also, before in first sem we used to draw with pencil everything. In second sem we started with all grades of pens, micron pens. Every grade we used to use, and we used to draw perspective views, everything like that. Mm, Next, and we got a new subject in second sem was digital technologies in design. It's like learning softwares. At first stage we used to learn is like Revit
Yeah,
and
first software we got to know was Revit.
Revit. And next
So in Revit we just learned the basics of
3D.
3D models and everything.
Like-
we didn't go deep into Revit, but it was just basics of
Basic
Revit.
Revit.
So that was computer knowledge we got in second sem. So it was starting.
And first sem ending also we used to have study tour. We went
Yeah.
to study tour, which are the places Jaisalmer, Jaipur, Jodhpur.
Yeah, that was our first trip
First trip.
actually. We did explore the beauty of Jaipur, Jaisalmer and Jodhpur.
Yeah. And in second sem we used to have making of reports, and we used to give exam for that study tour also.
So there's a different subject of study tour in second sem in which we used to have a viva of what we have learned from our study tour, and we used to prepare a brief report of our whole uh, uh, journey of our trip, like what we have learned, what things we got to know in that.
In theory we have environmental studies also. It's like environment climatology subject.
Study of environment.
Yeah, mostly we used to study about the climates, those kind of things.
So this was all about first year, second sem, and we finished up our first year. And next up, second year. In second year, there are also common subjects which are architecture design. Next is building material and construction studio. So as we are going into further sems, our projects are also changing. Like in first sem we had a basic gate and wall design, and in second sem we had a iconic house design which we need to design for our favorite icon. So even in building material and construction studio, first we had basics, then we had few technical details which we need to draft by hand.
And next, coming into the second year for series subjects like climatology and environmental studies subject, which is about climatology, how it works, how the climate.
Yeah, climate in architecture perspective, like what are the things and techniques that can be incorporated in a building that are sustainable these days. Yeah.
And history.
Yeah.
And next, the structure design also. It is third time again. It's going very deep in structures, like calculating very much of columns, beams. Problems were increasing and very calculative more.
So the next subject is building services. In first year we had building materials which got upgraded into building services. So in first year we learned about the materials, and now we are learning about the services of a building.
In practical wise, we got one new subject was added, that is surveying laboratory. In surveying laboratory, we learned how to measure the site. Big sites will be. In those kind of sites, what kind of machines we use. Like example, we learned first basic thing is chain surveying, and we used to go to practical field with all the machines and everything, and we used to do practically. We used to divide in groups, and we used to do everything in practical way. And next we have computer application. In computer application we learned softwares like new things, Adobe Illustrator, which we used basic steps, like they teached us basics of Adobe Illustrator and AutoCAD also, and even they added Revit also for more things.
So it was continuation of Revit and addition of Adobe Illustrator.
Yeah. And next, architecture design.
And yeah, the main core, which is architecture design. In this third sem, we had a farmhouse design. We got a site, and we were told to design a farmhouse according to our concepts, according to our design strategies. So this was all about the third sem, and even in the fourth sem there are few subjects which are common, obviously design. In fourth sem we did have a school design for a primary and secondary. We got a site which is in the LPU itself, so we
Yeah.
designed according to our concepts.
Yeah. And next, obviously BMC. You know, it's same about building details itself. We continued drafting on the sheets. Next is computer application. In computer application, we have learned.
There were addition of few softwares. Even we got AutoCAD. We learned about AutoCAD, the basic shortcuts we used in AutoCAD. Then we did our Revit in first year and second year first sem. But then we got into AutoCAD, mostly the shortcuts, the drafting and working drawings. So this was in our computer application.
And was new addition is like site planning and landscape design. Landscape design also we got a new subject in practical way, and we learned like landscape. How many types of gardens were there? What are the styles of gardens? Like in each country there are different kind of styles they used to do. Like we have mostly Charpa concept and Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese. So we were told to choose a concept of any style landscape. So my concept was Japanese and her concept was Charpa.
Charpa.
So according to
And
our
they gave
concept,
us a site,
yeah.
and they told to create in recreational way, and we have designed our concepts and we implemented on that site. Like
yeah.
we designed, and we have study tour. In second year first sem we went to like Kerala, and next Rameswaram, and
So in this mostly we had was temple visits.
temple visit.
We got to know about temple architecture, about the carving, about the tiny carvings that are included in temples. Then obviously in second year, second sem, we had a viva on this study tour, which includes a detailed report of our whole study.
In we went to Laurie Baker Center also. We experienced lots of workshop
Yeah.
activities.
We had hands-on workshop of mud, brick joints, arches, etc.
Yeah.
So next we have third year first sem. So in third year first sem, we had a internship. Like in our vacation, we were told to do a internship for 9 weeks. For a just practical experience. So we did go with our portfolio. We did have interviews for our internship. Then we didn't get paid internships as it was our first internship. So then we did it for 9 weeks and we did get certificate.
Yeah. Next, coming to like practical wise, we have architecture design. In architecture design, we got like third year first sem, right? In fifth sem, yeah. In fifth sem, we got SPA Delhi site, and they told us to do about architecture college, architecture university. We have that site and we designed, we implemented. First time it's of contour.
Even we will be discussing the whole design process, like how we design a building or else a university process, what we include. We will have a detailed brief in a different video.
Yeah, next BMC. Obviously, we started with software wise, we did in AutoCAD.
Yeah, first we had hand drafting. Now we got into softwares, like we can draft in softwares.
Softwares also, every each details. And next, computer application. In computer application, we learn new softwares, Rhino.
Yeah, we got an introduction of Rhino. How to create 3D models. How to use Rhino. What are the features that Rhino includes? Yeah. So this was about
Even we
Rhino.
learn SketchUp also, right?
Yeah, even we had a brief and of SketchUp too. SketchUp is also 3D modeling, and it needs a separate software for renders. Like
And we learn Adobe InDesign for making sheets, presentation, how
Yeah.
to do. It's all about the software.
and also we got to know about Photoshop too for sheet presentations.
We learned by ourselves Photoshop actually. So we can learn side to side. We can go to
So
online
it all
courses
depends on
also.
your interest, like what would you want to get in.
Yeah, we have in this semester like 2 elective subjects. They gave us 4 options and they told to choose elective subjects of 2 any 2. We chose interior design.
And entrepreneur.
In interior design, we learned like how to design in bedroom. Interior wise, what elements will come. We designed for ourselves for measurements what they gave, and we designed our room. And next, we did best out of waste lamp. We created a lamp by our concepts. And
next in entrepreneur, we got a brief of what entrepreneur actually is, and the reason we selected it because even when we go to practical field, we need to have the knowledge of managing a business, or even if you have your own firm after your graduation, it's really important to have practical knowledge, which is called entrepreneurship. So in that we got a detailed overview of how we need to manage projects in life.
and even soft skills also.
Yeah, even there's one more addition of subject which is soft skills, which is mostly useful for our interviews. So add interview sections, group discussion sections. So this subject was interesting, and we even had a final interview round, group discussion round also.
And next, this is
So,
all about
yeah.
Sem 5.
We are currently in our 6th sem, so we are currently doing, the common subject is architecture design, which we need to do in every sem.
That is
So,
our lifetime
Yeah.
thing, obviously.
Even the more credit subject is architecture design.
If there is no design subject, there is nothing in our life. It's like that.
So currently in design, we are designing a hostel. The site is given in our university itself. Next up,
It's a boys' hostel, by the way. We are designing.
and same we do have building material and construction studio. We are using softwares for it.
Same AutoCAD.
Yeah,
But a different kind of details we are doing. Like
because there are many things to know in building, construction, and architecture.
And we have same 2 elective subjects, same were continued, like the furniture workshop was there. In this sem we are going to do like furniture like furniture product in residential unit, like residential furniture unit we are going to design, and we are going to do that. And another elective subject was green buildings. Yeah.
It is also related to sustainability. Earlier we learned about climatology. Now we have this green building. In this we were introduced about the building codes, what should be followed, national building codes, ECBC, etc. So we got a brief about this,
And next, last time we went to Mumbai.
which is our educational trip in 3rd year, Mumbai and Pune.
Yeah, Mumbai and Pune. We have visited all iconic kind of
Yeah.
buildings, and we went to lectures of
Hafiz contractor
also. had a nice session with the Hafiz contractor. And next, already we said about design. And next,
And in this we have the main
Building.
subject estimations,
yeah, estimation
which is continuation of structural design. So this is actually an interesting subject
And this
because
is very important
after
subject
going
also.
into a practical field, even when you talk to a client, even when they tell you the requirements, the first thing they will be asking is the estimation. So this subject is all about how you give a estimation, what are the types of estimation, and etc. So as per our sources, we know that in fourth year, first sem, we will be having obviously architecture design, and we will be maybe getting a housing project, or I don't know. Then as we have chose our electives in last year, same we will be getting the electives. We need to choose whichever we are interested in. Then we even have a professional practice subject where it is internship obviously, so we need to do a internship also. There is one more subject, urban design, so maybe it's all about designing urban spaces.
We don't know. We are also excited what
Yeah.
is gonna happen in all the further subjects in future.
So in fourth year, second sem, the practical is architecture design again, and one more thing is housing project. It is a separate subject, and then
Two elective subjects again. And pre-thesis was added.
so in fourth year, second sem, we will be having pre-thesis. Thesis is basically a individual project where we will be choosing a individual site and we will be planning whatever we are
And we
interested in.
don't know totally. She's just explaining. We
Like
are
whatever.
assuming. Let's
Yeah.
see what's gonna happen.
So then in fifth year,
Obviously, fifth year, first sem, we will have 6 months of internship, long internship.
yeah. And in this duration, we can even work on our
Our
thesis
thesis.
because in next time we will be having our final
Final thesis. So we can do internship as well as we can plan for our thesis also.
Yeah, it's about managing your internship and also thesis.
Thesis in your life also, because fifth year afterwards.
So as fifth year is the last year of bachelor's. So this was all about the subjects that are included in architecture in our university.
Thank you.
So if you like the video,
Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.